Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon wish list. This is a fantastic way to keep track of items you're interested in purchasing later or to share gift ideas with friends and family during special occasions. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will ensure you have full access to all of Amazon's personalization features, including the ability to create and manage your own wish lists. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a menu option labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this section, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options related to your account settings and shopping preferences. From this drop-down, locate and click on Create a List. This is where Amazon allows you to build custom lists for different purposes, whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or just items you're considering buying in the future. Next, you'll want to click on Create a List to proceed with setting up your new wish list. This action will take you to a page where you can customize the details of your list, giving you control over what it's called and how you'd like to use it. Now, here's an important step. You'll notice that Amazon automatically suggests Shopping List as the default name. Go ahead and delete this text first. Once you've cleared that out, type in Wish List as your preferred name. This helps distinguish your wish list from other types of lists you might create later, keeping everything organized and easy to find. After entering the name, click Create to finalize the setup. And just like that, you've successfully created your Amazon wish list. You can now start adding items to it as you browse through Amazon's extensive catalog, making it easier to keep track of products you're interested in or want to share with others. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.